In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, to whom we all have to turn back. Honourable listeners and respectable audience, you know that we have commenced a series of linguistics. In linguistics, we have started the chapter, and it is word and word formation processes. Listeners and audience, today, the topic which I have brought for you, it is about blending. That what is blending and how words are formed in blending process. Listeners and audience, you know, there are many ways to form new words. But today we are just talking about blending, that how new words are formed with new meaning in the process of blending. What is blending? Blending is actually refers to the beginning of a word when it's joined to the beginning of a next word. I'm repeating, the joining of the beginning of one word with the ending of another word. This process is known as blending. In other words, the joining of the part of one word with the part of the ending of another word, this process is called blending. And this process occurs in English language to expand and extend the vocabulary of English language. And if you want to make new words, you can also practice this activity with your own. For example, how to make new words or how to form new words with blending. Let me share some practical examples that you know and understand this procedure. For example, we have two words. The first one, that is breakfast, and the next word, that is the next word, that is lunch. Okay, so now these are two words. As I told you that blending is taking one part of word and then taking another part of word, but taking the first part of word and then taking the next ending part of the word. So when we join these two parts as the beginning of the first part of the word and the ending of the next part of another word, then a new word is formed with a new meaning. So take here, I'm taking the first part of the word, this one, br or bro, and then I'm taking the next part of the word, unch. So to make new words, I'm writing here brunch. So from the breakfast and lunch, I have written lunch. So from breakfast and lunch, a new word formed, and that is brunch. Take another example. One example is smoke, and another example is fog. You see, smoke and fog, these are two different words. So how to make new words, how to form new word from these two? So take the first part of the word and then the next part. The first part, the first word. The first part is smoke. And take another part of the word, which is the ending part, that is J or ga sound. So it is smoke. And let me share another example, like motor and hotel. You see, motor and hotel, these are two words. How to make or form a new word in the form of blending? Take the first part, that is mo, and then the next part, that is tel, motel. So it became or produced new word motel. So listeners and audience, I think this topic is clear to you. Thank you.